outfit. So, pupunta kami sa grocery. I'll show you. Don't point that to other people. The other people, they don't like that. Okay? So, ayan guys, antayin namin si Stefano kasi bayad pa siya doon. So, look the outfit. So, ano? Acha! So, okay. Outfit guys. Oh guys, stay away there. Look, so, bigay lang to sa akin, and then yung shirt ko bigay, and then ito bigay. So, it's all free. So, ayan. Maglakad-lakad muna kami today. Kasi maganda yung init. So, perfect. So, inantay namin si Stefano magbayad. And look who's with me. Apo, tik. Magandang init today, guys. Kaya, ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Tapos, nagbili kami ng snacks sa Lidl. So, summer na talaga. Pero, spring pa lang dito, ha? Pero parang complete summer na siya para sa akin. So, ibig sabihin, mas mainit pag summer, no? Hindi pa kasi talaga summer, eh. Look what I got. It's a espresso macchiato, no? How did I drink it? How do I drink this one? Okay. So what you got, Lucas? And Enzo is nothing. I think water na lang. And we have this one. This is our snack. So where are we going, Daddy? I just drive around kasi holiday ngayon. I know, it's not holiday here.
For me.
Pero kay Stefano holiday next week. Holiday siya na mag-isa. Tastes like, lechon manok. Tastes good. Lechon manok flavor. Ay, sorry naman. Forgot. Yes, baby. You like it? It's okay. So, let's try this one. Wow! It looks, wow! Okay. Good luck sa ating acid mamaya. Masarap naman siya. Strong. Masarap siya, pero I'm worried about my acid reflux. So, Ate Jasmine nagpaiwan kasi nakikipaglaro siya sa kanyang friendly / boyfriend.
What?
Ay, sorry. Nagagalit si Lucas pag sinasabihan ng boyfriend. Hindi na yun boyfriend ni Jasmine. What? Is that how construction worker here?
What?
With topless? Oh, wow.
If it's hot like this,
Yeah.
and then you're pouring the hot concrete.
Bongga namang construction worker dito, guys. Maskulado, nakatato, nakahubad ang topless.
Yeah, and the salary is
Yung salary malaki.
100,000
Kasi paano mahilig siya sa Red Bull. But
new white
new edition.
summer edition.
Summer edition, wow.
White.
Wow, it tastes good. I think I tried it already before.
That's the first time they bring it out. I bought it from
Sarap.
Monday.
It's good. Summer na talaga. I feel the summer. Everybody's wearing summer clothes.
Huh?
I want gratis. Not that one.
Go to the forest. Before.
Sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon,
Look,
guys.
right side,
Like, wow.
right.
Like, oh, wow. Look there. Sobrang gandang-ganda. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung weather ngayon. Mainit siya, pero hindi siya mainit. How do you say that? There is a sunlight, but it's not that too hot for the skin, right? Like, if you go outside, in it, there's a sunlight, but it's not like,
It's hot. Yeah, it's not the
the
air is not so humid.
Oo, like it's not too...
Because it's not humid, that's why.
Siya yung malamig pa din siya. Pero feel mo pa din yung warmness. Pero you know, warmness. Warmness.
There's still snow there, look.
Oh my God.
Because that's super high.
Ang
there.
saya-saya ng puso ko talaga. Yung bonding, you know, this kind of bonding, like, without spending money, but it's quality time together. Only Ate just not here, but the whole gang is here.
But at the just also bonding with quality time.
Hmm? Si Jasmine nakipag-quality time sa kanyang Sri Lankan boyfriend, Charis. Sorry. Nagagalit si Lucas pag sinasabing boyfriend. It's your friend. Okay, love. Oh, yeah. View, overlook. Yeah, hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng pera para mag-enjoy.
Oh, Ferrari.
Wow! Oh, I didn't...
Yeah, because he's a busy talking to 1 million followers here. So the Ferrari, mommy? So, right?
I saw, but I didn't point the camera there.
So once in a day.
Hi to my 1 million follower. Kumusta kayo? Okay. Maglagot mo kaning Lucas. So, wala naman daw nanonood talaga sa akin. Ay, sorry, baby! Nakalimutan ang nagre-reklamo. Sabi ni Lucas, wala naman talaga nanonood sa'yo. Pa-vlog-vlog ka pa dyan. Wala na sampalungan. Madalang katotohanan ng anak natin. Ay. That's okay, baby. 1 million, it's always starts with 1. Yeah, 0. It starts with 0 until you have a 1 million. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Naglabasa na yung mga magagandang car. Naglabasa na sila yung mga sports car. Ang bongga talaga. Yung mga matatanda, yung mga ganda ng cars nila. Yeah, no?
Sports cars.
Yeah, it's nice. Even in Philippines before, we're just driving and going somewhere, nice places. Even if it's not that so nice, but it's like, we're happy na, diba? We stop in the 7-Eleven and buy some drinks and then we driving road trip, something like that. And then we're happy na. So, you really need to...
People, they need to spend a lot of money to be happy.
To be happy, yeah.
Other people, they
Pero kami kaning ano
buy
lang ba?
drinks and dinner.
That's it na. It's quality time. Then, wow, look at their motorbike. Ang gaganda ng mga motorbike nila. Like, social. Naglabasan ng mga mayaman dito. Oh, I remember this place. This is what we call loves, no? Like, family bonding. It's simple but memorable. So, ang ganda ng weather today. Ganda dito guys pag summer. Spring nga ngayon, di ba? It's still spring, di ba? Spring pa ngayon. Pero ang ganda ng lugar. Ma-appreciate mo nang. Kasi, before it's cold, puno siya ng snow. So, hindi mo makikita, boring shadow.
Look left.
Yeah.
The mountain with the big snow.
Yeah, pero yung pinaka-mountain, may snow pa din. Before kasi sobrang lonely ng mga lugar, like ang boring, ma-depress ka talaga, day. Ma-depress ka talaga, day. Pero ngayon, okay na.
Adobo, not the first.
And then ngayon, okay na. Ang ganda dear daddy, oh. Oh my God! Yes, bebe? Parang magpalpitit naman ako sa kape na to, eh.
Oh, there's a camera.
Oh, slowly lang. Kaya baka mapicturean tayo. Pag sumubra ka pa naman dito ng drive, like, a little bit speed lang, magbabayad ka, tapos pipicturean ka, tapos mababayad ka. Last time, you pay 40 Swiss franc, di ba?
70 Australian.
Nakaka-receive ka ng picture na with payment.
Picture, yeah.
Walang picture? Ano lang, bill.
You could request.
Look at the cows there. Oh, they're so happy. Kaswerte ba sa mga cow dito? Ang healthy nila. Ay. Sabi ni Stefano, pag mayroon ka daw alaga na cows dito, makaka-receive ka daw ng financial support from the government. Pero kailangan pag may baka ka, may lupa ka, na pagtugwa yan, pakain ng mga grass sa kanila. Diba? Oh. So, dito kami maglakad-lakad. Tingnan mo naman ang ating mga outfitan dyan. Pag summer na talaga dyan. Hindi na talaga mapigilan. So, sombrero ko pa lang. Pak na. Yan, pupuntahan ko yung mga kabaw na yan. Panglutuin, bulaluin ko yan. First present ng among cutie nga baby. Rina na, come here. Ambot na lang yun. Wala man tayo stroller. Baklay-baklay ni siya ron. Kaya wala man may stroller. Oh. Inanglad, imong tuhod karong inso ko. Hindi ba yan? Okay. Oh my God, it's a very pretty place here lang.
Don't sit down.
What's the smell? I smell something. Oh no. Guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, no? Yung mga ganitong lugar, I-appreciate talaga natin yan kasi alam nyo ba ang ibang tao? Gumagastos pa sila ng karami-raming pera para makapunta lang dito sa Switzerland. Tapos, ang swerte ko talaga kasi nandito ako. Tignan mo, ang ganda ng lugar dito guys. Mala paradise, Kita nyo yan? Yung mga taong gusto ng peace of mind. Dito yun. Dito nyo mahahanap yan lahat, ito ang peace of mind ko, Man, pag ito kasama mo, wala kang peace of mind, Kaya, sus, ginaon ko kagwapo dyan sa kong uyab. Uy, kayami. Unya, radyog ka, kay kabangon, dyan ka, yapi ka. Bayugayo na ako na mong lagay. Ay, ginaon kalamion na lang yun. Sus, ginaon ko. Bisag daghan, nagtambok siyang lawas, no? Ay, naku, lami, gihapon na siya. Lisod, nindot yun din sa usahay ra yun, no? Kay lamion. Nindot, sa usahay ra ba ni mo makamamangan, no? Kay hidlaw-hidlawon ka ba? Pero kanunay, sumod na. Guys, sa mga kaba, mga bulalo. Pang bulalo. Ginoon ko. You film me. You film me. Guys, tingnan mo na ako ng outfit na ko, guys. So, murang ako ani katong. So, no? Ayaw pa ng kamera, Lucas. Sabi akong kameraman. Ay, murang. Di mo ka madawat o kamera, Lucas. Ay, tanaw, look here, the view here. Look at the view. Hala, Daddy! It's a shooting range. There. Guys, ang ganda ng lugar. Ang saya ko. Oh my God, I appreciate it much. Ay, mga kabaw. Did you play? Ako na lang magkamera sa akong kagalingon. Kawag dyan. Dili magdungo ang kamera, gahangad. Kani si Lucas, no, wag dyan. Lucas, you really don't know how to. Guys, kanindot sa lugar. Ang ganda ng lugar, guys. Alam mo yun, yung I feel like I'm so lucky. You know that? I feel it. Kasi this is the dream of everybody. You know that? This kind of place. Before, makikita ko lang siya sa mga... Yeah, I see that! Makikita ko na yung mga cow. Pangbulalo. Before guys, makikita ko lang siya. Alam mo yung Teletubbies na... Shut up. Alam mo yung Teletubbies na palabas? Yung banha ba? Yung nila, yung view nila, kung asa sila ga-shoot. Ingani jud siya, guys. Ingani jud. Tanawa,